Hello and welcome to CIO Leadership Live Middle East. Today it's my pleasure to host Ahmed Watar, Group Information Technology Director at Alpha Medical Group in Egypt. Salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Hi, Andre.
Hi,
Thank you for being able to accommodate me today. I know you have a busy
thank you so
schedule.
much for your time. It's my pleasure to have you in CIO Leadership Live in order to discuss how the healthcare, the technology have changed the healthcare sector, not only in the Middle East, also in Egypt. That's why I wanted to ask you, to what degree are hospitals in Egypt in a process of digital transformation?
Let's first agree that IT is a must to have a business. It's not now considered as a service department anymore, like we had to think of it as before the COVID. And a lot of leaders realized that after the COVID and that the need of IT to achieve anything that is related to digital transformation or technology. IT became an enabler, not just a service department. But let's not talk away from the object hand. In the medical sector in Egypt or in Middle East, yes, digital transformation changed the market totally. Now you can simply order your or see your results with a simple click of a button on your mobile. You don't have to be there by person. So yes, we can say that using digital transformation in healthcare changed the business totally, made us being enabled to ease the process for the patients or the end user, and also providing the best qualities that we can that we could through healthcare using the technology. And actually, here in Egypt, the government is encouraging and investing generously in infrastructure. They have a vision to digitalize everything by 2030.
Ahmed, how have advancements in technology impacted Alpha Medical Group? Have you noticed a significant amount of change in healthcare, quality of care related to advances in technology?
Again, sorry, can you repeat that?
How have advancements in technology impacted Alpha Medical Group?
Alpha Medical Group, okay. First of all, we in Alpha Medical Group and the top management, we are customer oriented, and we see that delivering the best experience or XLA levels for the end user, the patients, is a must. So we invested generously in the infrastructure and having an IoT and automation that significantly increased accuracy, the speed, the amounts of results that we can generate per minute for the patients. So yeah, investment which was made in Alpha Medical Group and which when it comes to technology made us being enabled to deliver more customer level experience and best quality of service to the end users. It's actually having it's great to have a management that is customer oriented and at the same time they believe in the importance of IT.
How are you supporting digital transformation initiatives within your role at Alpha Medical Group?
Okay, well, I come from a background of 17 years in infrastructure and operation, exactly. And a lot of sectors, not healthcare, FMCG, manufacturing, logistics, auditing, banking, and the list goes on. Yes, you can say that healthcare is a little bit new to me, but as you know, any IT leader that is confident of his role have to have skills that enables him to rapidly understand and adapt with any environment that is in the market, and at the same time to learn how the business works and what is the vision and needs of the management, to translate all of that to achievable goals that can be delivered through IT with agility. So let's say so far, the initiatives that has been taken and projects that have been delivered through IT department so far for Alpha Medical Group, I can say it's fairly impressive. All thanks, of course, for the management and my team.
Ahmed, GenAI have changed everything, especially in the healthcare industry. How AI and big data are changing the healthcare in the Middle East?
Well, I think it's a little bit early to talk about AI when it comes to healthcare, because we are talking here about human lives, not just machines or manufacturing solutions or some stuff like that. So having any wrongful error in the data can lead sometimes in catastrophic events. So I'm not against using AI. It's a great tool and great aiding tool. It's a little bit early only to talk about it when it comes to healthcare, but it's great to have another, if you can say, another set of eyes that can give you another set of data that you can compare with doctors and give the end result. So yeah, having generative AI is a great tool, but I think it's a little bit early to talk about it when it comes to healthcare.
Well, we'll see. I do agree with you. Absolutely. I think in 2024, it's like 2023, Gen AI has impacted us, have changed the industry, but we are going to see more in 2024. That's why I wanted to ask you, what are your priorities in 2024 as an IT leader?
Okay, in 2024, we are aiming to focus more on adopting more advanced security solutions and more automation solutions that can ease the process of operation and at the same time this make the cost as less as we can, the operation cost.
Do you think every time I cover an event, especially focused on healthcare, what I hear from CIOs is that healthcare companies should improve and invest more their IT budget. What do you think about it?
Okay, when it comes to budget, I think that any company that not only in healthcare that doesn't generously invest in IT will be set back in the market. If you want to be in the top of the market, you have to invest in IT because IT is, in the end, it's what enables the business. I can give you a simple example for it. Let's just imagine your IT department is a vehicle and your business goals is your destination. Investing in more caliber IT leaders or members, that will give you a great crew or a driver, if we can say, that can swiftly and safely reach your destination, which is your business goals. If you invest more in infrastructure or operation, you will have a more robust and faster vehicle. If you invest more in cybersecurity, you will have a safer vehicle. So in the end, it's up to you. Do you want to have a private jet with a great crew that can make you on the top of the market and reach your goal? Or you want only to have an outdated car with one driver?
Absolutely. Ahmed, thank you so much for your time and for joining CIO Middle East Leadership Live.
No, it's a pleasure. It's all mine, believe me.
Shukran.
Thank you.